Well, hello there, YouTube friends. Welcome back to my channel. Short video here, cast iron cooking. Fried potatoes with onion and lard in my new skillet. Made a video yesterday, bought me a new Lodge brand skillet. 10¼ inch from Walmart, and seasoned it with lard and heated it up. Seasoned it again with lard and heated it up. Saw a few videos. People said you don't have to season a new skillet, but didn't hurt it any. Cooked eggs and bacon in it this morning on the stove. Now I'm here in using 2 hot plates. My new skillet, fried potatoes, onion. Gonna make some fried cornbread. I got the cornmeal stirred up in that bowl. 2 hot plates. Lodge brand pan there, has 2 handles, handle on each side. 6-inch pan, don't know if you call it a skillet or what. I already made 1 piece of fried cornbread. Potatoes are coming along pretty good. I'm going to put some more cornmeal in that pan. So I was using a 8-inch skillet. I like to cook beans and taters for my lunch. Make 4 or 5 plates, take 1 each day. My 8-inch skillet was too small. That one is hot. I'm going to use a spoon. Try to get it shaped just right so it don't spread out all over the pan. So with that small skillet, I picked up at the flea market for $7. A Lodge, very old skillet, been used a long time. A lot of grungy, caked up, flaky stuff on the bottom you can't scrape off. But it works great. So I would have to cook 2 or 3 skilletfuls of potatoes to get 4 plates made. That's why I went and bought the new skillet yesterday. Lodge brand again there, 10¼ inch. Cooking with this brand of lard, I normally use vegetable oil or butter. Lard ain't good for you, I don't believe, but I grew up eating it. My mama cooked potatoes in an iron skillet with a bunch of lard. Green label clover leaf lard, maybe what it was. So let's flip the potatoes over. So far I like the skillet. I said already I made some eggs and bacon in it this morning. I did. Worked great. Potatoes, onion, salt, black pepper, fried cornbread. Got some beans cooking on the stove, soup beans. Actually pinto beans and Great Northern mixed beans with 2 pieces of bacon. Added some onions to the beans. They're pretty much done. Turned them off on the stove. Made 1 piece of cornbread already. Little too brown on that side. Fried beans, fried cornbread, soup beans, and potatoes for my lunch tomorrow and every day this week. Still got to do some work on my cast iron pot. It's a Cuisinart, C-U-I-S-I-N-A-R-T, whatever how you pronounce that. Got a little rust inside, not bad. I've been working on it. I have cooked and eat out of it. Used it on the lake and the river camping. Just like cast iron cooking. Potatoes are coming along pretty good. Y'all can see that. Cornbread's looking good. That little Lodge skillet or Lodge pan, picked it up at the flea market for $5. Works great. The 10¼ Lodge I picked up at Walmart for $19.90. Food City has the exact same one, $24. So just another video here, cast iron cooking. Thank y'all for visiting my channel, and please subscribe and click like on the video. I'd appreciate it. And I'll be back with something else. Fishing, camping, camp cooking, truck camping, talking on amateur radio. I'll be doing something. Y'all have a good day now.